See here, where's your... Where's your switch at? Over there on the wall?
Yes.
I take it?
Yeah.
I just want to see what it's doing first. Nothing? Oh, it's doing nothing, huh? At all?
Nothing at all because it was making a noise.
Not even a noise. That's just that bad, huh?
Yeah, well.
Oh, we sure got power
It's
there.
on though. Do you want it off?
Well,
Doesn't matter.
I was messing with it earlier.
let me see.
And it tripped, but it didn't blow the breaker. For some reason, it popped on the head and looked at it.
Well,
It might have popped the breaker.
no, it did. In fact, your switch is a little wonky anyway. It's all tilted to the side. No, it's tripped. Let me see.
Okay, so I have it in front of me. So what are you saying now? You're saying it doesn't say what?
Oh, okay. We may have more than I thought here. If there's an electrical problem too. I'm gonna have to look at your breaker.
It's right here. Everything is pretty close together here. Right? This
Oh,
is
okay.
it?
Yep,
That's what
yep,
we're
yep.
talking about? Okay.
More than likely, that's it.
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh shoot. There ain't none tripped.
I don't know because that's not how that is being read.
Interesting. So you got no power, but none of them are tripped either. Interesting. Okay, so wonder what he was doing. He said he was messing with something.
I think what he means is that,
All right, we got a new one installed. Everything's running good. No leaks or anything. Good. Turns off nice. Looks good. All set. Perfect.